Hello, welcome back live. I am sorry I wasn't here live for a very long time, but I missed all of you, and I'm so happy to go back live and have some chitter chatter. And today, hip hip hooray! Guess who we are chatting with? I'm sure you know, you've seen the story by now, and you've also DM'd me your questions. Yes, it's time for some chitter chatter with Rushad Rana and ask him all about his journey with TV, with web series, how he started with Hip Hip Hooray, and how today he's doing this leading show Anupama on Star Plus. So, let's see if he's here and send him a request. Hey Palash, hey Brandot House, I would love to sing Vande Mataram. Palash, I'm your big fan and we have to do a live. So enough of saying big fan man. Come on, set a date and let's do a nice live session. Reshu, that's an old story, but yes. Okay, where is, and Rushad is and request. So yeah, waiting for him to join in and ask him and have some chitter chatter. I hope your coffee is ready. I hope your tea is ready. Hello,
Hi,
how are you?
very well. How are you doing, Shweta?
Extremely well and all excited to have fun chit chat with you today. So, how was
Same here, same
lockdown?
here. Lockdown has opened up now, so lockdown was also decent, and now the unlock phase has also been good. Fortunately, I'm back to working, so that's a blessing, big blessing.
Yeah, and you're doing a leading show on Star Plus, matlab back to working with a bang. So tell us all about
Yes,
this show
yes.
that you're doing.
So Anupama basically is actually it's like you said, it's the number one show on Star, and people are loving it and everything. And I play this character called Anirudh, who is Kavya's husband. He's about to get separated, but he's not wanting to get separated from his wife because he still likes her. So the best part about Anupama is, so the other day I was having a conversation with my co-actress Madalsa, who's playing Kavya, who's also a wonderful human being. So that's what we were discussing. That the best part about Anupama is that all the characters are very real. They are not your typical TV wala characters ki agar negative hai to ekdam negative hai, but you don't know why they are so negative. So here
True.
everything is defined. So I have a gray shade. I'm playing a slightly nasty guy, but there is also a justification given to that. That why am I such? Because mera backstory ye hai ki at a time when we were married, I kind of messed up in my marriage, and I realized that I've messed up in my marriage. But now I want my wife back. I don't want to let her go. But at the same time, I'm in this predicament that she is having an affair with the lead of the show, Vanraj. So it's a very tricky
Okay.
situation for my character. So like I said, it's see, when you have to do something, there is a very it's very important to have a motive behind it. You're an actor, you know that. I'm sure you know that sometimes when we are just given something कि ये करना है, हम कर तो लेते हैं, but there is always this question at the back of our minds कि क्यों करना है? What is the motivation? So I think
True.
that is very strongly defined in all our characters in Anupama, and I'm having a blast doing it, having an absolute blast doing it.
I know you're having a blast because we keep seeing these fun boomerangs of you, Sudhanshu, Rupali, and you all keep uploading these really amazing boomerangs. And like this is like crazy shoot happening. Like TV के shoot पे तुम लोग manage कर रहे हो boomerangs और भी इतने सारे.
Yeah, so it's like when we are shooting, we are totally into it. The minute the camera cuts, we are like, chalo, 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 let's make a boomerang, let's click some pictures. So I've actually done my first scene with Rupali. We just shot that 2 days back, and that was the very first scene I did with her and the entire family. But otherwise, my scenes have always been with Madalsa and Sudhanshu. So it was great fun, yeah. I mean, Rupali is an absolute live wire on the sets, and it's great fun to do all these boomerangs and everything with them.
Okay, before I go to my next question, there are a lot of your fans here. So if you would like to say something to
Yes,
them
hello
before we
everyone. Hi
start.
everyone. My friend Farzad is here. Hormuz is here. Hi Hormuz. How are you, Baba? Hello everyone. Thanks for joining in.
So So you started your career with Hip Hop Hooray like really long back, and that show created a landmark. And you know, you're again doing Today TV, which is again a leading show. So how does it feel? And that was a total college based. This is total like marriage based. So tell me the difference of television then and now.
See, actually, Hip Hip Hooray was a one of a kind show in every department. So uh, these days, you don't, get to see that people have a theater workshop before a TV show starts. We had a theater workshop wherein all of us were trained, because we were all absolute freshers. Matlab, I think most of us, barring I think Shahrukh and Vishal Shahrukh and Vishal, who were already doing a lot of work back then also. But otherwise, we were all very fresh, just out of the box, and just kind of stepped into the whole world of modeling, acting, had no clue how it's done. So the theater workshop really helped us not only learn the basics of acting, but also to gel well amongst each other, because we were playing, students who've been together since the last 10 years, 12 years. तो वो bonding अचानक ऐसे नहीं आ जाती है. So I
Correct.
think so the way the show was dealt, the way the show was written, the way the scenes were written, Vinay Pathak, who was our writer, the way everything was constructed, the way we used to do the scenes, it's I think one of a kind of a show. Um, आजकल अब वेब सीरीज में ऐसे काम होने लगा है जहां पे पीपल आर अगेन having rehearsals and readings and taking that kind of a theater approach to go to your shoots, which is very interesting. So coming to your question, from Hip Hip Hooray to Anupama, it's been a very, very long and very eventful journey. And having, looked back, I just feel that I am very, very blessed to still be a part of this industry, an industry that I most cherish and I most love, and I'm absolutely glad to be a part of. तो आज भी काम मिल रहा है, लोग बुला रहे हैं. I think it's a big thing for me.
Touch wood, and may divine keep blessing you with a lot of work so that we do a lot of live sessions where I can keep questioning
Thank
you
you,
about
thank you,
everything. So tell me,
thank you,
you've
thank
also
you.
done a lot of web series, like two old Balaji web shows, which have done really well. And that's a completely different medium. And like you were saying now, in web series and all, they're approaching the same thing where you're having workshops and you're having a lot of things. How is it different for you working after like television and doing television a web show? And then the web show doing really well.
Well, whenever you're doing something and it does really well, it's a great feeling, because that's when you feel that, वो कहते हैं ना, मेहनत रंग लाई. Because see, मेहनत हर एक चीज में है. No one ever makes a project saying कि हमें बुरा project बनाना है. No one starts off a project saying that. Everyone puts in a lot of hard work, lots of sweat and tears, and everything goes into it. But having put all that hard work, when it gets good numbers, when it gets recognition, so couple of both the web series that I have done, Punchbeat as well as Class of 2020, Ekta Kapoor herself has gone on to her social media and congratulated the entire team because the shows have done so well. So I think it's a great thing. And coming to the whole process of it, so because I started with a show like Hip Hip Hooray, wherein we dealt with it like theater, like I said, we were trained with a theater workshop, and then even the way we used to do our scenes, Shweta, they were very impromptu. They were not. It was not like ये dialogues बोलने ही बोलने हैं. We were all improvising things. In fact, for about 10 to 12 episodes, we didn't have written dialogues. We would just improvise situations. Yeah, we would just improvise. So we knew this is the situation. You, according to your character, how would you take your line? Or how would, say, John take his line, or Cyrus take his line. So we've actually done episodes like that. Now coming back to the web series format, wherein people are working like that, I think it's a wonderful feeling. It just shows that people are like really serious about their work. And see, what happens in readings and rehearsals is that you go prepared on the set. There is
Correct.
no time for speculation. There is no time for argument. So in a reading, if at all you have any issues, if at all you feel that you need to take your line in a different way, then you do those things in your readings and your rehearsals. फिर set पे जाके आप, all you have to do is get into your makeup, get into your costume, you shoot it, and you shoot it to the perfection. So right now, in fact, I'm doing readings for a web series called Cheaters, which I am a part of. So again, the same approach. I mean, it's been almost like 2 weeks that I'm having conversations with them, readings with them, and finally tomorrow we actually start shooting. So it just makes me feel confident. I think it just makes you feel that it's good that you're going prepared on the set.
True. Yeah, that's a
So
completely different feeling. Like, you're like, okay, bring it on. Now I'm prepared.
right. In TV, it is more on the spot. Our scenes are just given to us when we reach there. अब तो honestly speaking उसकी भी आदत हो गई है. And fortunately with Anupama, the entire team, the creative team, our directors, our actors are so kind of into it, that even though we don't have so much
Okay.
time, there is a lot that we can put in.
I kind of
Your
lost you.
network. Yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, yeah,
I
yeah.
kind of lost you. Now I
I
can
Yeah.
see you back.
Yes. So I was saying that in spite of it being a TV serial and it being an on-the-spot shoot, we are still able to put in a lot in the scenes because, like I said, everyone's very committed, very focused about how they want it to be. The writing is brilliant of the show. I mean, I always keep saying it in all the lives that I have done. I've said this one thing, that it's an absolute pleasure to say the dialogues that we get in Anupama. Because for
Right.
an actor, the lines are the main tools. आपके dialogues अच्छे हैं, तो आप उतना ही emote अच्छा कर पाओगे, उतना ही अच्छा perform कर पाओगे. So that is, I think, the best thing about Anupama.
So there's a question for you from a viewer. Doesn't being over prepared kill the spontaneity to some extent?
No, see, I'll tell you what. The preparation is right up to your lines, the kind of mood that you are in. But obviously, there is a lot of scope for improvisation. So it's not like if we are on set and we think of doing something else, कभी कभी कुछ अच्छी चीज निकल आती है जो शायद रीडिंग में ना निकली हो, वो सेट पे निकल आती है. एंड देन द director kind of locks that. He says, okay, chal, ye kar le, because this is sounding much better than what we had done in the reading. So yes, there is always a scope for improvisations and everything. But yeah, a basic framework is always there, that you have to work within this basic framework, which kind of makes it a lot easier for the actors, for the creative team, for everyone.
Okay, and before I go to the next one, I must say again, your fans are pouring in a lot of hearts, sending a lot of love emoticons, loving and saying that they are watching your Anupama show regularly with their family, and
Thank you,
Hip
everyone,
Hip Hooray is
guys.
coming on the
Thank you so much,
chat.
guys. I'm just
Rinku81
truly
is
blessed.
saying, Rinku
Yeah,
saying you're an
someone say
awesome actor. Vishal
thank
is
you,
saying,
thank you.
really, the show is awesome. My whole family sees the show. And yes, there are lots of heart emoticons. You are an
Thank you, guys.
inspiration. You are just wow in Anupama Arora underscore Bhumi says. And
Thank
yes,
you,
my dear
thank
fans,
you.
keep the hearts flowing in for Rushad. And tell me one thing, Rushad. So you're doing
Yes.
web series, you're doing television, but you took a little break because there was a point when everyone in your family were not okay with the whole acting and everything. So there were these things that I heard that you took a semi break and now you're back to cinema. So how did you handle that?
So no, the break that I took was not because of anyone in my family had a problem. In fact, my family consists of my parents. I'm the only one, and they have always been the strongest support system for me. The break that I took was because I was working on a couple of films which took a long time to get made actually and release.
Okay.
तो उसमें वो लंबा पीरियड आ गया
Gap aa
एंड
gaya.
या गैप आ गया. So that was a slightly frustrating period for me because obviously someone who ever, yeah, I think I lost you there. Yeah. So
Yeah,
I
I'm
was saying,
back. Touch wood.
yeah, Touchwood, I never sat a day without work after
Touch
Hip
wood.
Hip Hooray. Touchwood, Touchwood. तो जब ये phase आया, it was
Oh,
yeah, okay, you're back.
okay, I'm back.
So the thing is that in that period, I felt a little. I was getting restless. I was like, "ये क्यों हो रहा है?" But then, what was happening is that both those films, there were a lot of outdoor schedules. We were traveling a lot with both the films. One was within India, one was outside of India. So I couldn't, even if I wanted to, I couldn't do TV at that point in time. So that was like a gap of about 3 years for me. From the time I started doing those films till the time those films released. Unfortunately, those films didn't do well. And then I had to get back to TV. So yeah, that was a slightly tricky period for me because obviously, who would like to sit at home?
Yeah,
Especially someone
absolutely.
like me who's always been active by God's grace.
So
But
yeah, it
yeah,
was
I
a
mean,
phase,
it was a
and touch
phase,
wood,
but I
it's
would
over.
also like to it's over, and I would also like to say that this industry has been so kind to me, Shweta, that the point wherein I realized that I need work again, I just started floating messages that hey, I'm back, I need work, and immediately calls started pouring in, and I think within few weeks I was back on sets. So I just feel that this industry, the people that I have worked with have been extremely kind to me.
Wow, that's amazing. And may they always be kind to you because that's a blessing. And
Absolutely,
you've done
absolutely.
movies. Since we are talking about movies, you've done movies with Nagesh Kuknur, and then you were a part of Tasveer, and you've also done Shireen Farhad Ki To
Yes.
Nikal Padi, and then Matra with Rabina. So tell us, ek karke about all of it. Wow, and at
एक
the
एक
same time,
करके
review Varana Singh, tell us about your Bollywood journey. What
yes,
timing,
yes.
yeah?
Yeah. It's either you read her mind or she read yours. Anyway.
Yeah, but now we all want to know what was in your mind.
So see, my movie journey actually started with Mohabbatein. In Mohabbatein, I played one of the students in along with Jimmy, Jugal, and Uday, and I got Mohabbatein thanks to my bestest buddy Mehul Nisar, who's also an actor, who's also doing Anupama, although we don't have scenes
Oh,
together.
okay.
Yeah, he's playing Rupali's brother. He's playing Anupama's brother in the show. So I got Mohabbatein because I used to, we used to do our struggling bit together, going from production house to production house, distributing pictures. And that's how, Nikhil Advani ji met us and he said, why don't you also audition? He was apparently a big fan of Hip Hip Hooray. And
I'm back.
yeah, so Wi-Fi का बिल नहीं भरा लगता है.
यार लाइफ के लिए बराबर पेमेंट्स ही नहीं आई so उस चक्कर में वाईफाई का बिल चल रहा है अब प्लीज यार को बोलो पेमेंट टाइम से भेज दे
So coming to that, so Mohabbatein was basically my first film. Before Mohabbatein, I had no clue that I would, be a part of movies. Then doing Mohabbatein, then in a couple of years after that, they made Veer Zara and they called me to do the lawyer's part in Veer Zara. So that's how the whole journey started. With Nagesh sir, I got the movie through, so a casting agent approached me and he asked me to audition for them. Surprisingly, my audition was very bad. I mean,
oh
after giving an audition, I felt, I don't know, I've not done my bit, or I wasn't confident, I wasn't feeling good about it. But I nailed the part. I got the part, and I think Door actually started my movie journey with more aggression. So with Door, I think people actually took a notice of me. I started getting calls for other movies. This other film that I did, which I was talking about, which took a long time to get made, Ye Fasle, that also I got because of Door.
Okay.
And I did 8 by 10 Tasveer because Nagesh sir liked me a lot in Door, and he was like, you know, I've written this character for you and I want you to do it. So then 8 by 10 Tasveer happened, and then things followed. Shireen Farhad ki to nikal padi because they wanted an essential. Um, so I fit in I was playing Baman Irani sir's cousin in the movie. And Matra, yes, Matra was a very, very hard hitting film, a very realistic film that I've done. The director is again a very old and dear friend of mine, Ashtar, who's made this very good film. And I was very, very excited to share screen space with Ravina Tandon. So yeah, it's been good. I've also done Rangoon. Rangoon, unfortunately, my main scenes got cut off from the film, so people don't know that I've actually done that film. But that was also a wonderful experience with Vishal Bhardwaj ji. I mean, Saif and everyone. Amazing experience shooting over there. So yeah, it's been interesting. See, only thing I've learned from those 3 years, Shweta, is that I don't think I would want to take a break from anything now to focus on movies because it's really not worth it. And I've also started believing in the fact that जो होना होता है, if
वो
a
होता
certain
ही
thing,
है.
if a certain thing is meant to happen for you, if it's meant to give you mileage, it will happen. You don't need to run behind it to an extent that आप बाकी के अपने सारे काम छोड़ के उसके पीछे भागो. So that is one lesson I've learned the hard way.
Okay, so
Rishina,
Nasir Bhai is here. Hi, Rashina. So Nasir
I'm
Bhai is
also a
here,
big
and
fan
he
of you,
said
ma'am.
y'all have done a movie together called Ekta. Khan Nasir Bhai is right here, and he's going on Ekta ki publicity karo. You and
Hey, Nasir sir,
Nasir
how are
Bhai have done a
you?
movie together.
Yeah,
So
we
he
did a
said, क्या
film called
करूँ?
Ekta
Ekta की
together.
publicity करो.
एकता रिलीज होती तो मैं उसकी पब्लिसिटी करता. एकता रिलीज ही नहीं हुई.
नासिर भाई
and
क्या
and
करो
when
यार रिलीज तो करो.
and when we when the first time I told people I'm doing a film called Ekta, the first question was, is Ekta Kapoor making that film? And I was like, no, Ekta Kapoor is not making that film.
But you know, when Nasir Bhai kept saying Ekta ki publicity karo, I'm like, why is he talking about Ekta suddenly in the chat till I read the further ones because I'm listening to you. And in the meantime, Rishina came. Rishina, and we are a big fan of yours. Yeah. Thank you for joining our live.
Yes, yes, absolutely. She's a wonderful person, wonderful co-actor.
Yeah, yeah,
Yes,
that
Rahul is here.
she
Rahul Bharti, hello, buddy. Thanks for having organized this for me.
Rahul, you heard ना? He asked me about my Wi-Fi bill. हाँ मैंने बोल दिया नहीं सुना तो IGTV पे check कर लेना.
नहीं, राहुल शायद अभी आया है.
So yeah, so tell me before I get distracted with all these people and then the questions that have come in. Release हुई film. Nasir Bhai is
रिलीज
saying.
हुई फिल्म सर. एक ही तो शो लगा था, उसको थोड़ी रिलीज बोलते हैं.
Okay, Nasir Bhai. अच्छा नासिर भाई की तारीफ कर दो यार
अरे,
प्लीज
he
कर
is
दो.
a he is a brilliant actor. What to say about him? He's a wonderful human being. He's no, but he's actually. I'm not joking. He's actually one of those method actors. So if you
Yeah,
see his
that
look
is
in the
true.
film, he completely transformed himself to an extent that when he came in his getup, the people literally didn't recognize him. So he is one of those actors, and it's always a pleasure, sir, to work with you and to learn so much from you. मैंने
Rishina
देखा.
saying lucky to have worked with both you, Lovely. Same here, Rishina. We are so happy we worked with you
Same
and maybe
here,
we'll three
same.
do something together.
Yes, yes, certainly.
Oh,
I think Instagram should start a feature wherein three people can have a live chat together. So probably, another friend
yeah, now
can join in.
suddenly. And then we have like three of us, and then suddenly it becomes a personal chat because we'll have so much to talk.
To talk. Yeah, exactly.
Nasir bhai, we love you too, yeah.
We love you too, sir.
Okay, so tell me now that you know you are doing television, you're doing web, and you're doing a lot more. Is there something that you feel is on the bucket list and you've not done?
My bucket list will always be theater. I would love to do theater at some point in my life. It's just that I've never had the luxury to do theater because I've always been busy with TV and theater, like you would know. takes up a lot of rehearsal time. Although a lot of actors manage it brilliantly, sorry. I was getting a call. Yeah. So I was saying that although a lot of actors manage it brilliantly, but I have somehow not been able to, get that balance of doing theater and TV or films together. So some point in my life, I feel if I have the luxury, I would like to probably take 3, 4 months that okay, to now I want to just focus on one good play and do one good play and kind of commit myself to that. So yeah, that is definitely there on the bucket list. Shweta, can't hear you. Your voice.
Hello, hello. Can you hear me? Am I
Okay,
reaching
okay,
out to
yeah.
you?
Yeah. Now you can. Now I can. Now I can.
Okay, suddenly Nasir Bhai has complimented me, so I have to read this. Shweta, you're a theatre pro. Thank you, Nasir Bhai, but the credit goes to you. So, before I, hound you with some more questions, which we'll keep for the next time, there's a quick this or that we're going to play. And it has to be really quick, okay?
Okay.
So, action or adventure? So, this is about movies. Action or adventure?
Adventure.
Which is your favorite adventure movie?
Jumanji.
Are you feeling अभी लॉकडाउन में हम सबको ऐसी फीलिंग आ रही है हम जुमांजी खेल रहे हैं एक लेवल से दूसरे लेवल तक न्यू रूल्स न्यू लॉकडाउन
नहीं, but Jumanji में at least you're transported to those beautiful forests and those waterfalls and all that. Lockdown में तो आप there's no possibility
you're
of getting
transported
transported
back
anywhere.
home you're
Exactly.
transported back home with Netflix, Amazon and TV like okay where are we going today
Exactly.
romantic or rom-com
Both are the same, right?
no
What's
like
the difference?
romantic drama or like rom-com
Um, I would say rom-com.
favorite rom-com movie
You've got mail.
historical or science fiction
Science fiction.
चलो जल्दी बताओ साइंस फिक्शन वाली मूवी
Science fiction वाली मेरी favorite film, I would say Independence Day.
वॉर और क्राइम
Crime.
What is your favorite crime movie?
Any Anurag Kashyap film, but the most favorite out of those is Raman Raghav for me. I just simply love that film. And I've said it, I think, in all my lives.
Oh, thank you for continuing the consistency of the life and maintaining it. I shall highlight it that this is one thing he's quoted in all the lives since then till now.
Yes.
Like suddenly I'm like I should have maybe questioned something else. But ठीक है हमने ये highlight कर दिया तो हम आगे जाते हैं. Superheroes or supernatural?
Superheroes.
Favorite superhero?
Superman.
If you had to have a superpower, what would it be?
To get invisible. To become Mr. India.
I was
Which horror
just
movie
about.
is your favorite? Ranaji, you know I don't like horror movies.
Oh, मेरा
I'm a bit scared.
thriller or horror was my next question, so I think they've read my mind again. And you just said you don't like horror movies.
I'm scared of them. I'm literally scared of them. But yes, there's one horror movie which I love, which I had the guts to sit through it and love is The Ring. I totally love
Oh,
that film.
and which is your favorite thriller?
My favorite thriller, बहुत सारे हैं. I would say one of my most favorites is this film called Road to Perdition, which has Tom Hanks in it. That's like my all-time favorite thriller movie. Thriller, drama,
Hello,
whatever you
Karan
want to call it.
Singh. Reality TV or game show?
Game show.
Any game show you've been following lately?
No, I haven't been following any game show lately, but yeah, there are these dance shows that I kind of watch from time to time. Jhalak Dikhla Ja, Dance India Dance. These are shows which I enjoy watching.
If you had to be a part of a game show now, which one would you like to be a part of?
Uh, I would say Jhalak Dikhla Ja, dance based, anything dance based, because I feel you can kind of even you get to learn a lot while doing that show. So yeah, Jhalak Dikhla Ja would be one show that I would want to be a part of.
Musical or animation?
I lost you, Shweta. Your video froze.
Musical
Musical
or
or
animation? Animation.
okay, musical or animation? Animation, definitely. Lion King.
Favorite animated
Lion
character?
King.
Okay, that was you were ready even before I asked you. You were like, ये अभी यही पूछने वाली है, तो ये मेरा जवाब है. Buzzer around नहीं था. I swear I have no buzzer around.
Sorry. Sorry if it came across like that.
I was like animation planking. Okay, comedy rom-com or action rom-com?
Action rom-com.
Drama or comedy?
Drama.
Suspense or suspense show or a suspense movie?
Suspense movie.
Popcorn or samosa when in the theater?
Both.
एक इंटरवल के पहले एक इंटरवल के बाद.
नहीं एक एक करके खा सकते हैं ना.
हाँ वो भी है. Because I usually tend to be like, अच्छा इसका second half कैसा होगा? अच्छा, depending on that I decide what I'll have before and what I'll have later.
No, but what happens is that the popcorn and the samosa, because I'm such a slow eater, it lasts me till the movie ends. At times, I have to leave some of that popcorn behind and leave.
That happens with me too. Like either I'm getting it back and eating on the way back home, or I have to like share with everyone around there. And in the beginning, I don't want to share because I'm like, no, no, I will eat it all. So, what have you binge watched in your lockdown the most?
Lot of content. I saw Money Heist, obviously, even before people started raving about it, I somehow saw the promos, liked them, saw Money Heist. Then there's this brilliant show called Ozark, which I watched on Netflix. Then, of course, some Indian content, apna Patal Lok. Then there is this show called Arya on Hotstar with
Yeah.
Sushmita Sen. Some brilliant work, brilliant work. I mean, I am so glad that people over here have started doing this kind of work, and I can't help, I can't wait to be part of these kind of shows.
And I'm sure you'll be a part of all these kind of amazing content shows, and we'll keep doing lives where we are discussing these fun shows that you're going to do and be a part of. That's something we all wish you, be it me, be it all your fans. And before we sign
Thank
out,
you.
what would you like to tell your fans?
Well, thanks for all the love, all the messages that I keep getting, for all the encouragement. Because trust me, that's what gets you going. And yeah, another thing, just stay safe, guys, because abhi tak we are in the unlock phase, but I'm seeing a lot of people just gallivanting, not taking things seriously, not wearing a mask, not doing their sanitization. So people just be safe, keep yourself safe and keep your family safe. I mean, that's the best thing that we can do in this point in time.
Thank you, Rushak, for joining us live and giving us your precious
Thank you,
time. And
Shweta. Thank
hope to
you.
see you soon. And all the best wishes for your future projects.
Thanks a lot, Shweta. Thank you so much.